top news headlines. Visa suspension for Chinese passport holders not applicable to those staying in Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan. Unknown people trigger grenade explosion at residential gate in Imphal, no casualties. And Alpha I likely to revive PCG to hold initial talks with Centre. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the news in details. The death toll from a new coronavirus in mainland China jumped by 73 to 563 today. Third consecutive record daily rise as vaccine for a disease that has shut down Chinese cities and forced thousands more into quarantine around the world. Hubei province, the epicenter of the epidemic, reported 70 new deaths yesterday and 2,987 new confirmed cases, more than 80% of the total reported by Chinese authorities. The other fatalities were in Tianjin City, the northeastern province of Heilongjiang, and Guizhou province in the southwest. Hubei province in central China has been in virtual lockdown for nearly 2 weeks as per a report, with its train stations and airports shut and its roads sealed off. The flu-like virus was first identified in Hubei's provincial capital of Wuhan, as is believed to have originated at a seafood market in the city. There have been 2 deaths outside mainland China, in the Philippines and Hong Kong, both following visits to Wuhan. Some unidentified person exploded a bomb at residential gate of a rice trader, 80 Sangay Paro FCI Road, Dera Lukram Leiruk Makal Leikai, Imphal last night at around 10:40. Reportedly, the house belonged to one Kundrakpam Ongbi, Nandarani, wife of Kehet Sarat. According to a report received from the site, some unidentified person came to the locality, hurled a hand grenade at the residential gate of Nandarani and fled the site. Some portion of the gate and residential wall was damaged in the explosion. Talking to TOMTV, Nandarani condemned the act and urged all concerned to clarify the incident.
Pung tara minute nimpu mga sumay tawbida kang kangaudana ahaw makolam ta and yung gazi ni en ay to yung bom lang salak pa way lerame smayna tawbase mirak ta yung lakta yung ko na leijabani dukan je smayna kasu khangja ba no magi kitang chura no maga hona jari ba tanjari ba sida smayna tamthi ba thawdo pase no khaisa de si karam mina tawri bano kamai tawri bano haibase sing to haninge.
The United Liberation Front of Assam, Independent Alpha I, is likely to revive the People's Consultative Group PCG to hold initial talks with the centre if the issue of sovereignty is included in the agenda of talks. According to media reports, the Alpha has formed the PCG in 2005 to hold parleys with the government to pave the way for formal talks. The PCG held 3 rounds of talk with the government of India. But the PCG withdrew from the process in 2006, alleging lack of seriousness on the part of the government. Manipuri Dance Department of Rabindra Sangeet Dance and Dharma Sangeet Bhavan Biswas Bharati observed the centenary of introduction of Manipuri dance in Santi Niketan yesterday. Manipuri dance guru Devjani Chaliha, Shurba Tagore, Diyali Lahari and Madhuri Sinha attended the opening function. Meitei Laiharawa dance and Basanta Ras were performed during the observation. Lecture demonstration and cultural performance program of teachers and alumni were also the attraction of the event. Head of Department RSDD Professor Yaikom Hemanta Kumar said that life will be meaningless if there is no dance. Now it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Wabiraganu Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpata natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari. Masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask na singba puraktuna miyamgi mateng pangjari.
Loinana anaba singamari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed, suction machine, regulator, monitor, nebulizer, wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari. Adom sunga sima call tawduna tanabiu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi Play Store da changbiduna Medillion F download tabiu.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Welcome back after the break. A media sensitization program on National Deworming Day was held today at the Conference Hall of Medical Directorate, RIMS. The National Deworming Day will be held all over India on February 10. Addressing the media, National Health Mission State Mission Director Ningthaujam Geoffrey said that Deworming Day began from 2016. On this day, deworming tablets are given to children in the age group 1 to 19 years in school, colleges and Angalwadi centers. The director urged the people to maintain personal hygiene and to keep the surrounding clean to prevent from the worm infection. National Deworming Day will be launched at the Conference Hall of Health and Family Welfare Minister on February 7, he informed.
Among Sahida Kaida, coverage yamna wang chatle, Pasna, Kumayamse, teamwork when a Pasna, coordination lega smoothly to Wungamki, Hanaki Sahishi to Wungamganin Kale, Agawadi Center sing that Mokoki Zakaza High Tariko, Madu enrolled a boy target, Madu Tabituna, Haiba, Kogi exercising Kikutung Sabdu, Lahuningi, Kogi Mama Boy Bishinako, Aduga. Machine numchiki importance yang bidaga akoi Manipuri laiba CSO sing any organizations machine numchiki sabta witaba madumusu ai apel tawninge.
A one-day development cum social awareness program was organized by Young Kwakta organization at Taibong, Kwakta Ward number 7 under Kwakta Municipal Council, Bishnupur District yesterday. The program aimed to spread awareness on the ill effects of substance abuse among the youths. Officer in charge of Phobak Chau, Ikhai Police Station, Rajan Khanganba, former chairperson Kwakta Municipal Council, Mohammad Meheruddin, retired headmaster Al-Haj Habibur Rahman, Imam Makha Mohalla, Maulana Habibur, and elders of the local area were present at the program. A newly constructed Ibudho Yotpokpa Shanglen at Khangabok, Kulakpam Laikai in Thawal district was inaugurated yesterday by social worker KH Manager Mangang and handed over to the public. Speaking at the occasion, KH Manager Mangang said that preserving the age-old indigenous sacred shrines in the state will help showcase our identity to the world. As a part of the ongoing cease work strike by the government college teachers in support of FEGOCTA, the Manipur College Teachers Association held a massive rally today. The rally demanded immediate implementation of the 7th UZ pay scale. The government teachers have been observing a class boycott since February 3rd, demanding implementation of the pay scale. Mizoram Apex Students Body MIZO, Jirlai Pal, MJP and Mizoram State AIDS Control Society MSACS will jointly launch a campaign to spread awareness on AIDS. According to reports, leader of MJP led by its president B. Vallantana said on Health Minister R. Lalthan Lian at his office in Aizol to discuss the growing spread of AIDS and measures to fight deadly disease. It was agreed during the interaction that MJP, in collaboration with Mizoram State AIDS Control Society MSACS will launch campaign to spread awareness on AIDS across the state, Van Lantana said. The student body also asked the state government to immediately implement a rule to regulate transfer and posting of teachers across the state. Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPUVO, Nambol and Nambol Apunban Nupi Loop jointly held a discussion program on development of Nambol Market and different wards under Nambol Municipal Council and MC at Nambol Kaithel yesterday.
The Municipal Council Sina Magi Chairperson Sina Lucinaga, Kogi, Miam Gitadar Kopesa since Miss Ustogi, Koida Wakat Mayam Lae, Uzi, Mang the Uriba, Kogi, 14 Finance Commission, Kogi City Bus Parking the Hariba, Public Toilets, Lupa Lifetime Twigi Sanction High, Adubu Masiki Mataka Moina Council, Lupa Lactria, have a lac Trump and Sikoi, Sinares, Lady Bapium Siga, Automatic Kenare. The Municipal Council 2017 da Bihenama Council Pirai, Adubu. Masi high river Siapa and Mayunda Pusalaga, Angangi, school Gibiano in the Mana, season later.
Lakhs of Muslim devotees from entire Barak Valley of Assam and its peripheries gather at a 3-day Ijtema congregation at Gondagram of Lakhipur subdivision of Kasar district. The Ijtema, which began from 3rd of February, concluded with a huge prayer session in the paddy field of Gondagram. During the gathering, Muslim worshipper recited verses of Quran and delivered sermons. The congregation was organized by Tablighi Jamaat, a Sunni Muslim missionary movement which originated from India to spread Islamic values and faith among the Muslim Britain. The final supplication for 3 days Islamic congregation was held in the morning, where the devotees sought the blessing of Allah and prayed for peaceful coexistence among the Muslim Britain and for strengthening the Islamic faith. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing ama chawpat marifom do digi hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Infal Center ma hangjare TV ma phone gi konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da bigi awaba mayok na dibna al kuding mag wabi rugano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic nga simakleng directuna completely invisible water resistant amadi rechargeable odaba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwana badong gi khangna chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi laifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Lekai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6009545159.
Welcome back after the break. 16 Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter 9th Sector Assam Rifles organized a 16-day National Integration Tour NIT. The national tour, participated by 28 persons, will cover Agra, Mathura and Jaipur and will return to Manipur on February 21st. Ben Outfit KCP People's Work Group has warned local clubs, Mera Paibi, students' organization and parents' associations in the state to stop from staging any kind of protest in the event of untoward incident at Mission School and Janet Academy. A press release from the outfit said the outfit has imposed restriction against this educational institute after they allegedly attack against KCP PWG. Thangjom Entry Private Limited Managing Director T.H. Joy Kumar today inaugurated Le Class 7 exclusive retail outlet LJM Enterprises at Reims Road in Imphal. The newly opened store will offer hygienic and quality products including bakery items and exotic beverages. The Supreme Court today agreed to hear tomorrow the centre's appeal challenging the Delhi High Court's verdict dismissing the plea against stay on the execution of the 4 death row convicts in the Nirbhaya gang rape and murder case. According to media reports, Additional Solicitor General K.M. Natraj, appearing for the centre, mentioned the matter for urgent listing before a bench comprising Justices N.V. Ramana, Sanjeev Khanna and Krishna Murari. Natraj also told the court that jail authorities are unable to execute the convicts in the case despite the fact that their review petitions have been dismissed and curative petitions and mercy pleas of 3 of them rejected. President Donald Trump was acquitted in his U.S. Senate impeachment trial, saved by fellow Republicans who railed to protect him 9 months before he asked voters in a deeply divided America to give him a second White House term. According to media report, the votes to convict Trump fell far short of 2/3 majority required in 100-seat Senate to remove him from office under the U.S. Constitution. Shanghai Sports Authority have recommended the suspension of all sporting events in the city due to the coronavirus outbreak, casting further doubt on whether the Chinese Formula One Grand Prix will take place. As per media reports, the 4th Grand Prix of the season is scheduled for April 19 in Shanghai. The race was expected to be on the agenda at the Formula One Strategy Group meeting amid increasing speculation that it could join the growing list of sports events already postponed or cancelled. Now we have the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Clothes, goods from China via Moreh. Nagaland, Manipur at high risk of coronavirus. Medical officers yet to be deployed at Porous to Som village. Preposterous. Joy on MLAs who have defected to BJP. The People's Chronicle. Coronavirus screening centers opened in Northeast. Nagaland, Manipur, high-risk zone. Budget session from February 14th to have 11 sittings. Shortage of teacher hits hard Senapati School. Court okays DNA profiling of murder accused. Multimedia campaign on AIDS awareness today. Manipur Mail. Budget session having from February 14th. EC bans BJP MP Parvez Verma from campaigning. National Award for E-Governance 2019-20 for Imphal East District. Prime Minister announces setting up of Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Khetra Trust.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Visa suspension for Chinese passport holders not applicable to those staying in Hong Kong, Macau and Taiwan. Unknown people trigger grenade explosion at residential gate in Imphal, no casualties. And Alpha I likely to revive PCG to hold initial talks with Centre. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.